Hello everyone, welcome back. Taking a blue color thread and then fold it like this and fix it in the between of it. Roll it out from the other side and put it like this. Now again roll it from the between. Pull it carefully. Now pull it down. Now fix it on the top. Now again roll the thread around it and make a 8 like shape around it by rolling it. Keep rolling it one by one as shown in the video. Now at the end we'll fix the thread in the between like this. Put it and then pull it out from the other side and then fix it from the between again. Now fix the threads together at the back and it's ready. Next we'll be putting some designs on the collar threads. So take a yellow color thread and fix it like this after rolling it. Put it out from the between and again roll it. So here we are showing you some easy ways to tie a collar thread. Fold it like this and again put it in the between. Make a space on the side and again pull it out. Repeat the process for a few more times. Fix it in the between and it's ready. We'll be taking a white color thread and then make a flower out of it. So put it in the between and roll it like this. After rolling it, pull it out from the between from the same area like this one by one. Fix it for a few more times and your flower will be ready. I hope you liked it. Take the red color thread and orange color or yellow color and fold it and fix it out from the other side like this. Now repeat the process. Tie till the end in the same manner. Fold it one by one. Fix it by tying it. Roll the threads from the top very carefully as shown in the video. Now fix it as we are fixing it. Tie the threads on the top. Roll it down and fix it. Tie them as we are doing. Keep repeating these steps till the end and tie the threads till the end in the same manner. Fix it properly as shown in the video. Take it till the end and repeat the process again and again. Just have to roll it around the other thread and pull it and tie the knots on the top. So fill it like this one by one. You have to complete the threads till the end in the same manner and your decorative craft will be ready. Now let's repeat the process for a few more times and take it till the end. Roll it one by one as shown in the video and fix it till the end and it's done. Next, take a thread and tie it like this in the knot shape and fix it on the top. So without stretching it, roll it around it again and again. Fold it one by one as shown in the video. Put it from the between and roll it out from the other side and again repeat the process. Take it till the end from the middle like this and fold it carefully as shown in the video. Keep repeating the process. So fold it one by one carefully. So take a little thick thread so that it looks or gives it a touch of thread tying like this. So fold it carefully till the end and pull it like this and it's ready. Next, take a white color collar t-shirt and then put the threads like this on it and then roll it. Now make a space in the side and again pull it out and fix it from the between. Keep repeating these steps for a few more times. Roll it and fix it like this. Keep pulling out from the sides, fix it like this and rotate it. Now pull it from the sides again, fix it in the between and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.